I had to put back on the car, and I had to turn back on the so look, I lost my ability to be able to turn on sport mode and toggle it on and off. I don't want to lose the pages. I just want to be able to toggle sport mode on and off. So there is a way for me to do it. I don't know if it's gonna work. We finna try it. That's all I can do. That's all E can do, bro. Let's try. Cause I was gonna originally end that vlog, but what I might do is just splice it up so it look weird. So just implement this like in an earlier clip. You get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna do some cool shit, face ass. Nah, I keep cussing. All right, but yeah, man. And then we're gonna end this vlog, bro. Bro, I'm so excited to have like SRT pages, bro. That's just crazy. Like, bro, that's such a crazy statement for me to even say right now, fool. Like, bro, I got SRT pages. Like, boy, what? Bad bitch hop in the car. I'm finna turn in the SRT move. Fuck she talking about? She ain't gonna know the difference. She just gonna see SRT and just wanna hop in the passenger. Man, let your hair down, boo. Look cute. Look good in this motherfucker. Alright, we're gonna go back to BCM. I definitely, like I said, man, I definitely wanna play with this junk some more. But it really wasn't that like hard to actually do. And I was a little nervous that when I was doing everything that it actually didn't work, but it did. You know? That's like I said before, man, that's just crazy, bro. Like, bro, y'all don't understand, bro. Like, before this car, how much stuff that I used to just be like, man, I'm gonna pay somebody to do. And then you do it yourself, and then it's like the easiest stuff you ever did in your life. And then you're just like, bro, I literally paid somebody to do this, bro. Like, what? All right, we're gonna turn this to no. 3-mode SRT, we're gonna turn that to no. That prevents it from, according to Google, that stops it from saying eco mode, track mode, and etc. So we're gonna turn that back off, because it was it was already off when we turned it on. Then we turned it. Now we're turning it back off, and now it's saying no. So then, all right, gang. And it's gonna be a pretty long vlog, but it's whatever, bro. It's worth it. Hopefully it's not boring though. I mean, bro, I say that for every vlog, man. Like, I don't try to be perfect or nothing, but I want to be entertaining, man. I want y'all to enjoy what I put out. You know what I'm saying? I know my neighbor's getting sick of me, bro. I've been beeping this thing all night, fool. That is so hard, by the way. I ain't even show y'all that. Hold on. Nah, that didn't work. That didn't work, by the way. Hold on. Did I give it time to... Okay, sport mode is off. And I can now I fixed it. No. Okay, I thought I did some crazy shit. Okay, I want to show y'all one more thing. So first of all, sport mode is now off. I can now toggle it on and off. And I get to keep my SRT pages. Let's go! I cooked, nigga. I cooked. Okay, cool. So that is so dope. So now I'm happy. Now I'm 100. Now I'm good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit mad that I can't do the eco mode, but I'm straight now, twin. Wait a minute. I'm so straight now, bro. Like, that's all I cared about, really. Okay, so that's taken care of. Now, turn off the car, and I want to show y'all this, bro. That was hard, bro. Hold on, twin. This is so inspirational right now, twin. Oh my God. That is so hard, fool. It's the little things, bro, that put a smile on our face, fool. Oh my God. Man, bro. So we really got SRTs, BBWs, and ARPs. You don't forget the 3 3s. Come on, lock it. Maybe I should. It's right there. It's right there, actually. It's right there. I did it, nigga. Oh, it's the older one for sure, but I got it. Look at this. It's the older one, though. It's not the cooler John. Wait, custom. What's this? Please choose an image for your... Well, I got the gray John. Hold on, let me play with it real quick. Alright, I got the gray Chrysler. You feel me? So accept. Then you got standard. Please choose an image. Well, we definitely don't want that. We want bro right there. Oh, that's hard. Hold on, cut that hard. Alright, fool. Hey, let's take this bitch on a spin with the SRT pages, though. What the fuck? I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to be cussing. Fool, something don't feel right. Some seems a tad bit off, twin. I don't know. It feels like I'm not shifting right now. Hold on, we'll figure that out. We finna do a pull. Oh, it's a cop right there. I almost did a pull in front of the cop. Look at this. Oh, I almost did a pull in front of the cop, G. Oh my gosh, alright, hold on. Y'all ready? Well, let me slow her now. Cause he probably gonna hear it. He gonna be like, boy, I know that ain't that 300 that was just speeding through here. I ain't even see if it jumped up or not. I was too busy paying attention to me. What? What y'all think happened? I saw it jump up just a tad bit, but damn, man. But I'm in permanent sport mode now, though, twin. I don't know if I fuck with permanent sport mode, bro. I mean, it's whatever, but it's like, damn, permanent sport mode? I mean, I asked for this, though, chat. Okay, fool. I guess the only way to fix this and make the sport pages better is to now update the Uconnect screen to the modern Uconnects. That way I can turn off the sport pages. But I think too, I don't even think it's the radio itself. I think it's the BCM, because it's older, like I was saying earlier. But that is so fucking dope, twin. Like, I got him. Like, bro. Hold on, twin. Hey, bro, I don't know how this video gonna come out, but I don't even know if y'all can see me, gang. Like, my camera, it has a low light function, but I don't know if y'all can see me, but
not gonna slide if I turn on traction, because it looked like, for handling, it looked like my car was in front wheel drive, but am I tweaking? Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, why is it not, well, it's not controlling the back, E, because why would it control the back? Because when you turn the car, the back of your wheels don't turn, you dumb nut. Bro, what am I on, chat? Oh, yeah, I can still slide. Okay. Oh, shit. I got performance pages, fool. I did it. I still got my paddle shifters, but I can't control it through the app like, you know, Scat Pack niggas can and shit, like Hellcat niggas. I'm in shock, bro. I've been talking about doing this for the past 4 weeks, really, essentially since July. We're now in August, in the ending of August at that, and I've been talking about doing this since like July 10th. So now that it's done, bro, it's just weird. The only thing I don't know if I completely mess with is that permanent sport mode, because that's permanent sport mode. And in today's economy, bro, permanent sport mode is kind of crazy. But I mean, hey, I signed up for this shit, man. I signed up for the car, so damn, twin. Yeah, man. I don't know. What else is there to say? What else is there to say? I mean, what else is there to say, bro? We did it. We did it.